This statement is taken from DAWN News being recorded at the rate of 80 WPM start. Islamabad The transfer of the High Court judges is expected in the coming weeks under the 27th Amendment, with sources indicating that the Judicial Commission of Pakistan JCP may soon take up the matter formally. The 27th Amendment significantly changed the process of transferring judges of the superior judiciary by empowering the JCP to recommend transfers without requiring the consent of the judge. Sources said the issue was discussed informally among Chief Justices during the 56th meeting of the National Judicial Policy Making Committee (NJPMC) earlier this month. The NJPMC later issued a statement outlining policy measures to reduce case backlog, improve disposal of commercial litigation, and streamline tax cases. However, judges' transfers were not mentioned as the issue was not on the formal agenda. A senior official told Dawn that while no formal deliberation occurred, transfers were discussed on the sidelines. The discussions were exploratory and did not result in any decision. The JCP is expected to hold several meetings in the coming month. Besides confirming additional judges of the Islamabad High Court, Lahore High Court, and Balochistan High Court, the Commission is likely to consider transfers. Before the amendment, Article 200 required a judge's consent and consultations among the President, the Chief Justice of Pakistan, and Chief Justices of the concerned High Courts. The amendment now allows the President to transfer a judge on the JCP's recommendation. Seniority is counted from the initial appointment, and transfers, making the judge senior to the Chief Justice are barred, though an allowance is provided. Refusal may attract proceedings under Article 209 before the Supreme Judicial Council. Reports suggest around 10 Lahore High Court judges and 4 Islamabad High Court judges may be transferred to Balochistan High Court and Sindh High Court for 6 months to 2 years, though no official confirmation has been issued.